After a long solo journey through California, Lupita and I were super happy to be able to stay with some old friends. We got to unwind at their home in Kings Beach, which is right on the California-Nevada border, and just settle in for a minute. So I'm from a place where bike paths are not really a thing. We risk our lives crawling around on the edges of roads in muddy ditches, hoping a car won't accidentally take us out. By stark contrast, the East Side Trail in Tahoe is a beautiful 2-lane paved trail that is completely separate from the car traffic. This is like the crown jewel of bike paths. Ooh, a pedestrian underpass. freaking me out. What is this spider?
Oh, it's just a... Oh.
Ugh.
Oh, look at that. That is
He
awesome.
was near my bed. I don't like it.
It's a tarantula.
It is?
Yeah, totally. Boom.
Ooh. Yep. That's
Yeah.
what it is.
Right here, look.
Where'd you find that?
Next to the sink.
Downstairs.
Yeah. Like before I was gonna go to bed last night.
Still, is it alive?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
so.
Isn't that cool?
The wildlife here is abundant, with enormous gray squirrels plotting world domination up in the tall pine trees, and this stellar blue jay who flew right into the living room.
No. Oh. I'll let you out. It's okay. There it goes.
It seemed like every human I saw here owned a dog, but despite this, there are no dog beaches. So Jenny and I took the pups down to the boat ramp, a great place to people and dog watch. You shall carry me and place me on each rock. Don't even think about leaving me on the shore.